Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open up Snapchat messages on Snapchat. It's very easy and simple to do. Now, you don't have to delete the application for this method either, which is really nice. It's really simple. You just have to use Snapchat. Okay, so all you have to do this is you just go over to the Snapchat application and open that up. Once you're on Snapchat, you can go ahead and click on your chats, and then you will see any chats that you have open, obviously. At this point, all you want to do is find the chat that you want to open up, and all you have to do is put your finger on the left side where the person's photo is or their Bitmoji is, and just drag over to the right. That should start to open up the chat. If it's not working for you, just try to move your finger around and just find the point where it starts to open up the chat. And all you have to do is drag it over to the right side of the screen, and then you will see the message start to pop up. Just make sure that you don't hit the full right side of your screen when you do this, or else it will open up the message. As you guys can see, I can totally read the message right here without opening up all the way. And then when I put it back to the left, the message still says it hasn't been opened. Very simple and easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.